This 2019 Airstream Sport 22FB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Norcross, Georgia, 30071 and is offered for sale by Southland RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a White Cypress Tan, White Cypress Black interior, sleeps 4, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.